Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to give you a neat little fire hack that I personally use quite often when backpacking in the backcountry. And for this hack, all you will need is some petroleum jelly, some cotton balls, a Ziploc bag, and some sort of fuel source. Don't worry, boss. I'm on it. Oh, whew. Thing's going there. What are you doing? What? Hold on. I think that's a bit overkill. You said you needed a fuel source, so I got you a fuel source. Put that thing away. Bet you it'll work a lot better than that lighter of yours. No, seriously, I think we're good with the lighter. All right. You'll never let us have any fun. That guy. Now keep in mind that this is not a video on how to start a fire. I might do that in some future video, might even make a series out of it, as long as that guy stays away. But this is just a neat little hack that I personally use when going into the backcountry and needing tinder that'll burn for a really long time. When you're in the backcountry and let's say it's been raining and all the wood, or fuel as we call it, is now soaked, you need to be able to have some tinder that'll last for quite a long time to be able to start drying out that damp and soaked fuel. And so this hack is honestly that solution. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take your Ziploc bag and turn it inside out, like so. And now that you've got your bag inside out, with your hand placed in the bag, open up the petroleum jelly and get you a nice, generous scoop, as you can see. And the next thing you're gonna do is take your wad of cotton balls, place it on the bag of petroleum jelly, try and fold it back out, like that. And the benefit to doing it like this is that I don't have to get any petroleum jelly on my hands. It can be quite oily and yeah, it just makes a mess. So doing it this way keeps everything nice and clean. So once you've got your petroleum jelly and all the cotton balls in the bag, go ahead and seal it off. And then you're just gonna move the cotton balls around, making sure that all the cotton balls get petroleum jelly on them. Nice even coating. And there you have it. That's really honestly all you have to do. And now we're ready to take our fuel source and light this bad boy up. So it's really good for any backpacking trip that you're wanting to go on. Quick, easy, simple fire tinder. And I think you can use these a solid few weeks after preparation. So any backpacking trip you're wanting to go on, this could be a really great hack for you. So there you have it. That's a quick and easy little fire hack. And if you found this video helpful, leave a comment letting me know if you plan to use this hack or if you have used it before. And if you have any other cool hacks or helpful information, I'd love for you to share it in the comments as well. And who knows, maybe we'll make a video about it in the future. All right, guys, as always, make sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We'll see you next time.